You're not here to roll the dice. You're here to get results. And if you've spent any time wrangling inconsistent AI outputs, you already know the problem isn't the platform, it's the prompt. That's why this monologue prompt framework exists. It's not a suggestion, it's a system, a repeatable, monetizable, SEO-optimized system that transforms vague ideas into cinematic, viral-ready content every single time. This isn't about how to make a video, it's about how to command InVideoAI with absolute clarity. The monologue prompt is your control panel. It defines the structure, the visuals, the narrative, the pacing, and the monetization strategy in one unified format. And when followed exactly, it eliminates randomness, enforces consistency, and unlocks the full potential of AI-driven storytelling. Start with the title. It's not just a name, it's your hook, your SEO anchor, your first impression. It must be specific, emotionally charged, and algorithm-friendly. Then move to the settings. This is where you define the duration, shorts or long, and lock in visual logic. Every image or clip must be unique. No repeats, no filler, no generic fluff, just clean cinematic execution tailored to the topic. The monologue itself is the heart of the system. It's not editable. It must be used verbatim. Why? Because every word is engineered for impact. It starts with a hook that grabs attention in seconds. Then it sets the stage with a clear introduction, dives into vivid detail, and integrates a call to action that converts. Like this, follow Adventure Seeker's Paradise for more incredible journeys. That's not decoration, it's strategic engagement. Then come the cinematic directions, your choreography. These aren't vague suggestions, they're scene-by-scene instructions. How to open, how to transition, how to close. They specify visual elements, ambient sounds, and background music that match the tone and theme of the monologue. Whether it's a drone shot over Tokyo, a creator's desk in Berlin, or a sunset trail in Los Angeles, every detail is deliberate. Every frame supports the story. And finally, the SEO description. 2 sentences. One must include the exact title, the other must appeal to audience interest. Then come the affiliate links, spaced precisely, never cluttered, and the keywords. A single, comma-separated line, no bullets, no periods, no fluff. Just a tactical blend of broad and specific terms that drive traffic and revenue. This monologue prompt isn't just a tool, it's a contract between you and the AI. You provide structure, it provides execution. And when you follow the rules, the results are consistent, cinematic, and monetizable. So stop improvising, stop guessing. Start using the monologue prompt exactly as designed, and watch your content transform from scattered experiments into a streamlined, scalable production pipeline. Follow Adventure Seeker's Paradise for more incredible journeys into the future of content creation.